Hi there, this is my luck, and this week for Mini Lock Monday I've got one of these little luggage 3-digit code locks, and we will try and change the code. I'll try and do it blind, and yeah, I'll try and decode it. So the way some of these work is you turn the shackle 90 degrees. You can see there's a little notch. If I can get the camera to focus. Yeah, you can see there's a little notch at the 90-degree mark. So if we depress that and randomize, now without moving my thumb, I'm going to try and just make sure that all the digits are on full numbers. I'll release and we will scramble. Okay, so let's try and decode this. So that's stiff. So this is binding. So I'll leave it at 3 for the moment. This one's binding now, so 3, 4 feels like it's loose, so I'll leave that there. And there we go. There's the code, 743. So with a lot of these little ones, it's as easy as that to decode. Just put some tension on the shackle and feel which row is binding, and just work on the row that's binding. And sometimes you'll feel like a couple of numbers. You'll feel a couple of numbers slightly looser. So go for the one in the middle. Right, so with this one, it was it sort of went loose at 2 and up to about 4, so 3 was sort of in the middle. And there we go, a little luggage 3-digit code lock. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.